today's video, I'm going to teach you how we harvest bananas in the Philippines. I will show and teach you how we harvest bananas in our place. To harvest the banana, we need these two equipments. The long hardwood stick with a sharp tip. Second is a big knife or dagger knife to cut the stalk of the bananas. This is our way or technique when time we harvested the banana in our place. For us, in harvesting banana, we are going to stab the banana palm near to the stalk of the banana fruits. We just stab fastly the banana palm until the banana palm is bending and the stalk of banana is ready to harvest by cutting its stalk. These are now our Saba Bananas harvested for today. If you're enjoying this, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day!